All right, so what we have here is Ion is an app-based platform. So any URL, any desktop, Apple, tablet, anything, you just need to go into Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever it is, and just type app.ion.com. You type that in. What you'll get to is you'll get to this page here. And if you've already got an account, this is where you put in your existing email and password. But just for demonstration, I'll click on this, sign up right there. So when you do sign up, it gives this option here and you can fill in the details. I'll just do that quickly. Okay, I've just created a new account. I'm going to tick the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, go through. I then have the opportunity to log in. So I have the opportunity to save it. So I can just click there, save account. And then what will happen when I go in here, I'll type in, and then the password. So since I haven't been invited to any other wheel, nothing's going to be on this dashboard. However, if you got an invitation to someone else's wheel, a pop-up will come here asking if you would like to join it. You can simply join it or not. And if you do, it'll come up here. But if not, as you can see, there's nothing here. I'll then go through and to create your first wheel, Ion, you click on create new Ion. This can ideally be by yourself as a first one, just see what it's like. Or when you're with someone, you can go through and actually create a name for the wheel. If I'm doing it with a mate of mine, say, for example, I'm going to go Geordie and Locke, because Geordie's one of my best mates. We do this often, and we'll create our own wheel for the year, or for the next 5 years, or for the month, or whatever we like to choose. 1 to 5, 1 to 10. You can choose a scale you want, 1 to 100. I'm just going to go 1 to 10. As you can see here, there's a pre-group of about 50 different segments you could choose from already. For demo purposes, I'm going to choose a couple of these. I'm just going to go career, family, finances. I'm going to also go contribution, health, hobbies. These are a few things that we generally do. Personal development's there. That's 6, but I also like to add in, I like kayaking. I'm also going to throw in meditation, gratitude, and I actually gone through empathy there. I've just recently read a book about gratitude, empathy, and meditation, so I'm going to put them in. So I've got 10 segments, as you can see, there's 10 there. I'll then go next, want to create it. And as you can see here, for demo purpose, I'm not going to put a description in every single one. A lot of them for me, I know what that means, but for here, kayaking, at least twice a week, and then meditation, daily process, I'll put in. And then gratitude, finding 3 each evening. So that's a bit of a check-in that I do. And empathy, how have I helped others, maybe. Helping others, helping others. And I can put in more description, so up to 150 characters here, and then that'll come up. And I've just clicked on create. I then get put back to my dashboard, Geordie and Locke, and if I want to create this, I can create a new one. Actually, I'm going to go complete your first Ion. So I'll click on there. Since nothing's been completed, it'll come up grey. And something to be noteworthy is that since I created this Ion, you can see here I've got this share wheel, this URL. So if I'm with Geordie that moment, I'd copy that and I'd send it through to him by text message, email, WhatsApp, whatever is best, Facebook Messenger. Whoever gets that URL will have the opportunity to join this wheel. And since I created this wheel, I will be the admin, and I'll be able to see reports and see Jordan's wheel as well. So I'll click here, I'll go new Ion. And simply, it's just a personal assessment tool. Where am I at with my career? I'll put it there. Contribution, not as high as I probably would like it to be. And I'll quickly go through this with everything. Check-in of every single segment with Jordan. But I've got an opportunity here to then write in the journal. So as you can see here, I'm just putting in a bit of a comment around and talking about this wheel, because I got an opportunity here in May 12 months time or 2 years time to see, oh, interesting, I wanted to look at that wheel again, but where was my headspace at? And that's what you can put in here. 7.5 is the average of every single one of these segments, as you can go there. So to just show you how the power of Ion, I'm going to quickly do another one. Okay, so I've just completed another 3 check-ins for demo purposes. The last one was a 6.2, as you can see, but here is where the power is. You can see this trend line. Imagine if we did a check-in once a quarter, you got quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see that average line is the white line there, and then the color is reflective of the color here. So career is red, contribution aqua, family is yellow. And you can kind of see as we go up there, we can see how that's actually trended. For finances, for example, I'll have to put that up there. It's been pretty consistent with the average. However, for meditation, you can see meditation initially was on the average. It's been on the average, and then now, back end of the year, the last 2 check-ins, it's been a good 2 points above the average. Whereas for this one, maybe on hobbies, you can see that hobbies has consistently been above it, but it's been below. And then this could spark a deeper conversation for Jordan. He can actually ask deeper questions to me around what's happened here. Why has hobbies gone off? Is it because you're traveling too much or what now? And you can see here, he can actually go deep, and you can see I'd encourage you to maybe focus on the positives first and then go to the ones that aren't as strong, family and hobbies, you can see here. And then that's your 1,000 words right there to have a conversation.